Linktree or PrimeLink? What would you choose? Well, I'm here to compare them for you. Let me know in the comments what you think, but let's get straight in. So starting off with Linktree, guys, everyone knows what that is, all right? It's everything in one. Over 30 million people are using Linktree and link in their bio, okay? One stop to help you do it. All you gotta do is simply put stuff in here and you can start your name, all right? Super, super easy, and it claims your tree. They come out looking like this. Really, really nice, and probably the most popular for shortening URL tools. Now guys, I have an alternative which is better, and I will compare them for you. Now this is only my opinion, but I'll show you why. It's called PrimeLink, and PrimeLink is incredible. You can see here, I've used it so many times. You type in your big long URL, click the shorten button, and voila, it's got a short link and a QR code. Now the reason I think this is better is because the features. So it transforms your link management with connections platform more than just a free URL shortener, but advanced QR code features and complete link in solutions. Some of the things that it does is smart targeting, okay, targeting your customers to increase your reach and redirect them to the relevant page. In-depth analytics, okay, so you've got all of that in there, okay, sharing your links and networks, measure data to optimize your marketing campaign. Digital experience, using various powerful tools, increase conversation, and provide a non-intrusive experience. Guys, the reason I like it is, look, comparing it to Linktree, yes, they have a bit more animated for the link, but when you go to ours, you can see very classy, very simple, very easy. All right, they've got powerful tools that work. They've got the link management, they've got privacy control, they've got a powerful dashboard that you can actually get involved with and use, and their QRs are so much more innovative. Analyzing statistics and optimize your marketing strategy and engagement with these QR codes. They have so many insights with the global tracking that you can actually find out where they're coming from. So if someone in Australia is actually clicking on your links, you can sort of target your next advertisement to Australia if you see that the main base of it is from there. Now, the reason I think it is much better is because the features on here, they're good, all right? You get a lot of the different ones that you can actually install on there, loads of different features. But with PrimeLink, you have the custom landing pages to promote your product and service on the forefront and engage the user in a marketing campaign. CTA overlays, so using the overlay tool to display unobtrusive notifications, polls, and even a contact and target website, great for campaigns as well. The event tracking, so you can add your customer pixel from providers such as Facebook and track events right when they are happening. You got the team management, which is a great asset to have, inviting your team members and assigning them specific privileges to manage links, bundles, pages, and other features. Branded domain names, so easily add in your domain name for short your links and take control of your brand name and users' trust. On robust APIs, use a powerful API to build custom applications or extend your own application without powerful tools. Now, the integrations, they have all. There's no integrations that you would need that probably aren't on here, okay? WordPress, Bing, Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, and so much more. There's 154,000+ links already, serving 825,000+ clicks and trusted by over 11.7 thousand happy customers. Now, guys, I know what you're thinking. This must cost so much more than Linktree. Let me compare the prices. So if we go to pricing on Linktree, and yes, like I said, there's more animation and things here, but it's not got as much features. If we go for the premium, okay, the top package, the VIP support plan for business, ready to monetize and sell on a larger scale, okay, it's 22 euros a month. Let me show you what PrimeLink is. PrimeLink, you are gonna pay $99, which is, let's have a look at the calculation. Right now, $99 is at 92 euros. So let's go back. So you're seeing this, 22 euros a month. Yes, cheaper for the first month. I get that. But when you go over here, it's a lifetime deal. So you're gonna pay $99, which is 92 euros, as you can see, okay? Right now, as I'm recording, for life. You get unlimited everything and every single thing we talked about for life. With Linktree, you have to pay this every single month. Let me know in the comments how many months it's gonna take you to actually get that paid, all right? So you got to think 5 months of this premium package and you have already paid more than you would with PrimeLink. So one link, one Prime, one payment for Lifetime Pro is $99. You get unlimited links, unlimited link clicks, data retention, everything we spoke about, unlimited, okay? And they'll never ask you for another penny. That's why we love this so much. So the winner, in my opinion, is, of course, PrimeLink. Is by far greater. But guys, what I want you to do is hit that link down below to get the deal that you saw on the page. But first, hit the like, the subscribe, and the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you next time.